I'm Andy Bramhill, and I'm holding a relaxing sound bath session in Gairloch Community Centre on the 13th of October. Now, if you've never been to a sound bath before, it's a deeply calming experience. You simply lie down, close your eyes, and let the sound of the singing bowls resonate through you. You let the sound of the bowls and the other instruments just wash through you. It's like pressing a reset button for your mind and body. It's effortless relaxation. You don't need any experience previous. You just sit down or lie down and let the sound flow through you. Now, I've worked in sound healing for over 30 years, and I can promise you that you will leave feeling grounded, energized, recharged. Places are limited, so if you are curious, you'll need to sign up online first, but do come and join us. I'm sure you'll love it.